Hi guys, it's EmDee's coffee shop. Dee.
Hi.
So we're just back to do a quick coffee shop for you. It's good to be back and have all you guys here with us today. So today we're going to look at the Ueshima Coffee Company. So we were out today, just in Sainsbury's actually. Run out of coffee beans, which is a bit of a tragedy in our house because we love our coffee, as you well know. And we saw this coffee, and Dee said, "Yep, let's give that a go and see what it's like." So that's what we're doing. So I just had a little look on the internet just to get a little bit of background about the coffee company itself. So Ueshima Coffee Company, that was established in Kobe in Japan in 1933 by Tadao Ueshima, get that right, and he loved all things Western, and he brought coffee basically to Japan, and he really was passionate about coffee, and he's known as the father of coffee in Japan. So he really did champion coffee, and he championed the perfection of coffee and all of its qualities. So the Ueshima Coffee Company is highly principled and believes in craftsmanship and the perfection of coffee. If you look on their website, it's actually quite nice, just having a little read through about their passion for coffee. So when I was looking at the coffee beans and the packaging like we normally do, because you can get some good background information, it didn't really tell you much about the origin of the coffee beans, as you do with some other of the coffee beans that we've reviewed in the past. However, it does state that this one's a house blend, that they're Arabica beans, so it's 100% Arabica, which is great. They're always a good bean, aren't they, Dee?
Yes.
The Arabica. And they're sustainably sourced. They're also sent to Europe to be roasted, so that's in the Netherlands and also in Uxbridge.
So Arabica is an entire category of beans that are considered the slightly better tasting variety than the Robusta, which is a slightly wilder variety, and the Robusta beans tends to be a bit more rough in its taste because it's not been bred so much for taste. Whereas Arabica has a long history.
Okay, so thanks for that, Dee, for giving me that little snippet there. So just to go back to the beans, the strength, they're relatively strong, 4 out of 5 is the strength. And I've got to say, I really like the packaging on this coffee.
How's the other side look like?
Very nice, clear, writing's clear. If you want to learn to pour like a Japanese master, you can go onto that scan code, the QR code, and it will take you through a little tutorial on how to do that.
So does it tell you where is it from, Africa? Or
no, it doesn't say about where the bean is from. It just says that they're Arabica beans. Okay. Ingredients 100% Arabica coffee, that's what it says.
So it's like some sort of a blend that they've done.
Yeah, it's a house blend of those. But just to go back to the website, there are quite a range of different beans that you can get. So there are coffee pods, there are coffee bags, there are ground coffee and coffee beans. And they also sell a range of different equipment to go with the coffee as well. So double wall glasses and things like that. So they're pretty good on the old market in there. And they've got quite a strong theme going with the Japanese theme and the Japanese art. And just the three basic colours of the black, red and white is actually makes the product feel actually quite clean and wholesome. So they've got a really good, whoever's done the marketing is brilliant. It's got a really good theme there. Also on the website, I don't know if you wanted to see here, Dee, but there's gifts, so you can do gift cards or give coffee gifts. You can do a subscription where you can subscribe to different coffee on there as well, and you get 15% off of each subscription, which is really great.
Is this Ueshima.com?
Yeah. And also, so it's www.ueshimacoffeecompany.com.
Okay.
There's brew guides there, how to brew like a Japanese coffee master. So there's plenty to look at on that website to get your teeth into. That's really kind of getting you engaged and involved with their product. So from a marketing point of view, and the website, I think it's quite good.
Yeah.
Right, so we do our usual, how easy is it to open? Well, we've actually done it a little bit early because we ran out of coffee earlier and we were desperate. However, it was just to tear, it was very easy. Also, it's resealable at the top. The packaging was very easy to deal with. So yeah, the coffee itself, actually, Dee, have a little snifferoo of that.
Oh, nice. It's
got a really lovely,
it's
it's not burnt,
No.
no burnt smell
No.
or anything. So it's really mellow and nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to do our little taste test that we do. So I'll just prepare that now. I'm not sure about the whole grind settings that you usually kind of go into.
How did it grind last time?
Brilliantly, it's fine.
So
So
it's
we're
on
just going to keep it.
235 microns, which is like
Yeah.
a general sort of size. It's
Yeah.
neither too small, no too coarse. It's slightly on the coarser side, I guess.
Okay. So I'm just going to. Okay, so here we go. That's the grind. That's how it's come out. That's the colour of the bean ground up, which is really lovely. And it smells lovely. Really good. So just transfer that. Go back to the trusty old Mac app there. Okay. You're alright, so we're going to do the pour. Here we go. Pour on this. So the grind might be a little bit too fine, but possibly. But it's okay. Let's do it anyway. Dee, I'm going to pass you yours so we can have a little bit of a judge of. Smells good. Smells slightly fruity, but not too much. No burnt overtones. I think it's going to have like a typical Arabica.
Yeah.
So let's give it a go.
I finished mine.
I know, it's delish.
It's nice.
Mm.
What temperature is it at? I can get fruity if it turns 92. Shall we try it on the 90 on this side? So this one is at 92. That's set for 90.
Yeah.
Can we try it in 90? And also, what I'll do is, I will. So it's on 225 now.
Okay.
Okay.
So what does that mean, Dee?
Much finer.
Okay. Okay, so I'll put that straight in. So here we go. Oh, this one nearly. Nearly did it wrong. Right. Oh, actually, I'll just rinse that out quickly. I don't want the taste from before, do we?
Very exacting.
No, it's not like me, is it? Okay. So here we go. So that's on 90 degrees. Still quite a fast pour.
Huh?
Still quite a fast pour there. Okay, so it's only on 2.6 bar. So. Okay.
Alright, now we might have to do another one because you said 205. So set it to 205, which is a quite a fine wine, but not very fine. I would say below 200 is very fine.
Well, let's see what this one's like.
Okay.
Because we've done the grind now.
Ooh.
No, that's completely different.
Yeah. Very fruity.
It's got a nice fruity taste to it.
Yeah, no bitterness at all. Can we try? Can we save this, or are we having it? Have we had it?
Yeah, I've had it. Can you still put it in?
Yeah, it is still recording, but I might edit this
Yeah.
bit out.
Okay, so we're just gonna, I'm just cleaning everything out, ready to try another pour. Pour blanc. So this is on a, what, 0.205?
Yeah. Is that enough?
Yeah, I think so.
You might want a tiny bit more because when you grind finer, you won't get enough time to grind.
Just a little bit more. Okay.
That should be.
Yeah, that should be enough now. So, just putting it here.
Yeah.
So, here we go. Let's do it on. It's on 7 bar. That looking good. What do you say,
That's perfect.
Mr. P?
Very good.
Okay, extra 7.5.
How this is going to taste.
Okay.
That should be, I would say, quite confidently, we have brought the best out of those beans.
Yeah,
After
by
that.
changing the grind.
By changing the grind and the temperature.
Okay, so
So
let's
we've
try
gone
this.
down in temperature from 92 to 90 and ground finer as well.
Okay, so here we go. Bottoms up.
Wow. Wow.
Now that tastes just right. It's delicious.
Wow. See, would you have thought you'd get this from that from the initial attempt?
So
now
that
that's going to
tastes
go on
really
the
nice.
leaderboard somewhere.
that will be on our leaderboard, our trusty old leaderboard that's been going for years. I know there's probably still quite a few coffees out there for us to try, but this one's going to be up there, I think,
Yes.
in the top 5. It's affordable, it's a good price. You can get some good deals on the website, that we bought it in Sainsbury's. It was £3.50, wasn't it, with a with the
Offer.
nectar card.
Yeah.
That's for 250 grams. So
Yes, not the 8 ounces or whatever that is. 227. What is that? 8 ounces, 6 ounces?
oh yeah, so it's just a bit more than that.
Yeah,
So it's good value.
yeah.
You can get, I think there's three packets on the their website for £12.50,
Yes.
and that's in the 250 grams. So I think that's reasonable. So cost reasonable, taste is up there with the beans like
Yes,
like Colombia,
yes.
Ethiopia.
When we tried earlier, I thought, just yet
Watermelon.
another coffee beans.
No, it's
Nothing
really good.
too special, but now after a few tweaks. So temperature, it is tastier at a lower temperature.
Yeah.
That we can say for sure. We haven't gone below 90.
No.
So that is very precisely at 90.
Yeah.
Grind, we tried various grinds at 205 microns, which I would say is a fine-ish grind.
Yeah.
It is really nice.
It's really good actually. It tastes really nice. It's not too heady. I mean, we've had 3 of those and I don't feel too jolted up.
Well, and the couple before that.
Yeah, and a couple before that, but we are kind of addicted, I think. However,
on that note.
Yeah, on that note, yeah, I think that's a thumbs up, definitely.
Yes.
That's easily a 9 out of 10 as well, which is, I think anyway, I think it's definitely at the top there on the leaderboard for affordability, for marketing, packaging, and also taste. If you get that, if you use those parameters that Dee set out, you'll get the best out of those beans, and they're Arabica beans as well, which is great.
Yes.
So yeah, thumbs up for Ueshima.
And thank you, Emma, for the review on short notice.
That's okay.
It's been a long old day. But
My pleasure.
thank you.
And yeah, bye for now, guys.
Bye.